If you clicked on this video, you're like me and you're probably someone who's interested in saving some money and don't mind thinking outside the box a little bit. So I'm going to show you how I've gone over 10 years without buying a single razor blade. The global razor blade industry is a huge business. Big companies like Gillette and Bic make billions of dollars off of us. They have us trained like monkeys to buy new, uber expensive disposable razor blades on a regular basis to keep the cash flowing in. But do you really need to? Now, I couldn't find a definitive answer on how long the average person uses a disposable razor blade before throwing it out, but it seems like some people only use them 3 or 4 times and other people hold on to them for about a month. Gillette used to be very tight-lipped about blade life, but finally publicly stated that a blade should last about a month. So if you follow that guideline and use Gillette Fusion blades every day, for example, you're spending approximately $36 per year on blades. But if you go by feel and throw them out when they start to dull a bit, which is only 4 or 5 shaves, then you're spending more like $275 a year. And that assumes you're buying the cheaper bulk packs. Yikes. Well, I stopped listening to all that a long time ago. In fact, my last bulk pack that I bought has lasted me over 10 years. So here's how I hack the system. First, I use a Mach 3 turbo razor, but the brand and series doesn't matter. This will work with any of the premium razors that use disposable heads made up of 3 or 4 individual blades. I don't know if this will work with the cheap single-bladed razors, so try that at your own risk. Second, I use the cheap shaving foam. Again, I've tried using gels and more expensive products, but it doesn't make any difference. The cheap stuff works just fine. Third, you can shave every day with this trick, but make sure that the razor dries out completely between uses. Also, you may eventually end up with some gunk building up between the blades, so be sure to clean that out as much as possible. Okay, so none of this is earth-shattering news. The final piece to the puzzle, and the biggest secret to this, is to shave immediately after you shower. Don't even leave the bathroom if you can help it. The rule of thumb on this is that the mirror in the bathroom should still be foggy, so you only have a few minutes between stepping out of the shower and shaving. If you wait too long, it will be a miserable experience because the razor will pull your hair and leave nicks and bumps behind. And that is what causes people to throw their blade away and use a new one. So as long as you shave within a few minutes, you won't experience any pain or cuts. I don't know for sure if this trick works for those of you who shave in the shower, but I don't see why it wouldn't. So why does this work? Well, I'm not a scientist. All I can tell you is my personal experience for about 20 years now since I switched from an electric razor to the triple-bladed razors. But I can tell you that a hot shower does something to your skin and facial hair that makes shaving with a dull blade totally fine. To back up my experience, there is research and science that shows that hot water opens up the skin's pores, makes the skin softer, and makes the facial hair less sharp and tough. I've seen some debate about this concept, but I'm living proof that whatever happens with a hot shower in your skin and face, you can use a single disposable razor blade for up to a year of daily use before it's time for a new one. Thanks for watching this life hack video. I'd love to hear what you guys think in the comments section below. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you found this tip helpful.